In this lesson, we're going to be looking at plugins. And so I'm going to head over to the WordPress dashboard and click plugins. So what plugins does, they increase functionality of your website. So there's some plugins that you can see from the front of your website, okay, if they are in action or they've been installed, or there are plugins that you may not see actually with from the user perspective, but they will be working in the background. So there's a couple of plugins. There are thousands and thousands and thousands of plugins that you can use, but in this video we're going to focus on some of the key plugins that you can ideally put on a basic website, and then you can also add on to what you need. So the first one that we're going to be looking at is SEO. SEO, that means search engine optimization. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on plugins. Okay, I'm going to go on plugins and I'm going to click on add new plugin. When I click on add new plugin, you're going to see that there is quite a lot of plugins that are here, and then you can add by tags. There is e-commerce, there's analytics, there is email, there is WooCommerce, widgets, SEO, security, shortcode, sidebar. All these are, they can add additional functionality to your website. As you can see, the anti-spam one is already installed, and you can just activate and do the settings. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type in SEO. Okay, so for SEO I do recommend a couple of plugins. Okay, this one works, this one works. All in one, you can actually start with this. When I started out my digital marketing journey, I started with all-in-one SEO. It's a great tool. And there is also this one that is called SEO plugin by Squee. I don't know how to spell that. So what you need to check is the number of installations, when was it last updated, if it's compatible with the version of WordPress that you are using. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one. That's the SEO. And then after that, it's not functional, I'm going to click activate. Once I click on activate, then it will activate. I'm just going to say some of these may want you to create an account, but for me, I do have an account already with these guys. And as you can see, if I can go to the dashboard, what you may notice here is that there is an additional SEO plugin that has been added. Okay, these guys, they've got great training of SEO, how it works, and anything that you may need to know, okay, as a beginner. Actually, now that the SEO plugin is there, we just need to move on to our lessons. I will show you as we are going through the lessons how we are going to be incorporating this into our lessons. So with that said, let me know the SEO plugin that you have just installed. Again, like I said, you can install this one or you can install all-in-one SEO. As you can see that this one now is activated, and what I'm going to do is to go ahead and show you other important plugins that you need to use.